this is Amina Sheikh. You're on Zoom channel, and with me today I have Crystal D'Souza, looking like a dapper diva. So join me as I welcome her only on Zoom. Lovely, vivacious, and I must say that what transformation today. How much time did you take today?
I took an hour to get ready. But that's it, an hour.
What's that one thing you really love doing, whenever you come for the red carpet events?
I love the process of getting ready and, trying on my outfit, thinking about what hair, what makeup, what bag, what everything will go along.
Yeah, really. And on social media, if you have to talk about it, what do you prefer stalking the most?
Stalking, I love stalking fashion pages actually. I like to see what's in, what's out and what's not.
So one thing which you prefer like zooming into?
I prefer zooming into abs. I don't have any, but the people that do, I love zooming into it.
If you could recollect one of your social media cutest fights you had and you were like, okay, silly me.
Cutest fights. I don't really fight publicly. I think, I wash my dirty linen at home.
And before I let you go, what are your upcoming projects you're focusing on?
I am shooting for a web series right now. Just completed a film and getting on flow for another one. So very excited.
Lovely time for you, I must say that. Looking forward to see more of your work and exciting things coming way forward, I'm sure. Thank you so much for your lovely time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Lovely to have you, as you have come. Music saath mein aa hi jati hai. I must say that. What is that one thing you really love doing on social media?
I love showing pictures of my wife and my dogs. Yeah.
And if you had to stalk one social media profile, who would it be and why?
Stalk one profile, really hard because I'm not a social media user. Yeah, if you check my phone, my usage on social media is about 10 minutes a day.
What keeps Arjun going and going all the time? What is that one inspirational thing you follow as your mantra?
I think life, like I love experiencing new things and trying to express it through music and art. And that's what I love to do and that's what people love me for.
And before I let you go, what are your upcoming projects you're focusing on?
So today I have an unreleased track which I'm performing for you guys at the awards. It's called Unspoken. Comes out in 1 week. So excited about that.
Well, lovely chatting with you. Thank you so much for a lovely time and all the very best. Lovely to have you, Madhur, and I could see that you are having a completely glitz and glamour look. So do you keep it casual or prefer doing something much?
Casual. I just always leave it to my wife. So it depends on events as well. But as my partner told me about this event, so I just tried to do something different.
It seems like music plays a pivotal role in your life, and we would like to know more about that side of you.
So it's a very special time for me because I'm on my India tour and I just have released my album, which is Reversion. And we've already toured 5 cities and still 10 are pending, and I'm very excited because everything is going very well as per our plans. So let's hope for the best and thanks.
But I have to ask you, when you're on social media, what do you prefer stalking the most?
Music, all the artists, new growing singers, so that I can grasp something more about whatever trends are going on, and especially the new genres. So I'm more into stalking all the musicians and artists.
And before I let you go, I have to ask you, what inspires you the most to keep your job up to the mark?
My idols, especially Ustad Yusuf Ali Khan sahab, because I'm very much into Sufi music and he's the one who always inspires me.
And we have seen that some of your YouTube videos had gone viral, which also had that essence of it. So how do you ensure that your video really touches up with the audience, like connects with the audience?
As I said, music is like God for me, and I never think or push myself more to the numbers. I focus on the feel and the music and the Indian essence, and that's what is helping me out, and my numbers and everything. So for me, feel is very much important, and then the numbers and everything.
If you had to collab with one personality, for your songs, who would it be and why?
There are so many. It's a long list, but yes.
But anyone in your wish list, ever since you joined the world of music?
Ed Sheeran, Arijit Singh, A.R. Rahman sir, and many more.
Thank you so much for a lovely time and all the very best. Thank you.